Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to delete a YouTube channel on your laptop. So let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to open YouTube on your web browser. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account. Now, click on your profile picture and then click on the YouTube Studio. Step 2. Now that you're in YouTube Studio, let's navigate to the settings where you can delete your channel. Click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to access your channel settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll find a menu on the left side. Scroll down and click on Channel, and then click on the Advanced Settings tab. Now, scroll down until you see the Remove YouTube Content option. Click on it. Step 3. YouTube will ask you to verify your identity. This is an important step to ensure that you have the authority to delete the channel. Enter your password when prompted. After that, click on I want to permanently delete my content. YouTube will ask you for one last confirmation. Now, click on the checkboxes and click on Delete My Account button. In the last, enter your email and click on Delete My Account. Congratulations, your YouTube channel has been deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.